there mates, and welcome back to my makeup channel. Today is the theme of safari. For our first journey, we're going to clean our face. Now that that's done, you're gonna go in with whatever moisturizer you choose, and I already did that, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the primer. You guys always see me use this Born to Glow primer because it is bomb. It's from NYX. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my face. I'm gonna get this Dipbrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills for my eyebrows. We're gonna add some attitude to this safari adventure. Now that you got your eyebrows filled in and they're almost ready to fly, we're gonna go in with our concealer. I'm using the Shape Tape concealer from Tarte. And using my concealer brush, I'm gonna go ahead and shape in them brows. Now, we do have some streaks around, so we're gonna go with a tiny little blending brush and we're gonna go ahead and dab that in the eye. Don't set your eyes just because of the fact that the powder seems to like take away from the pigmentation. Going in with this beautiful untouched palette. This is from Morphe. This is the 39A palette. These colors are just everything, and I think it does include some of the best colors for what I'm trying to do, which I'm gonna go in with this little nude color here, just to give it kind of a base for your eye. And then I like using a big brush just because of the fact it is gonna go all over my eye. I'm gonna go in with this one over here. We're gonna buff it out a little bit just with a blending brush with no color on it. I'm gonna go in with this kind of yellowish color that they have right here. I'm done, okay. This beautiful, beautiful blue shade. And we're just gonna add that to our outer corner. We're gonna press on right here. We're gonna see what's happening. Gonna go in with my concealer brush once again, using some Hint concealer.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
We're gonna use this shimmery green and this one right over here.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right.
This is my foundation. This is from NYX. Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This is gonna be really quick, y'all, because I do this not on a daily, but it's now you're going to go in with your concealer from Tarte. Baking powder from Meircier. Give it a little. And while we bake, I'm actually gonna answer some of y'all's questions. So one of the questions says, what primer do you use? Mine leaves me sticky. So I actually use a Born to Glow primer, as you guys know. If yours is leaving you sticky, it could be that you're getting one that is not for your skin. I don't have oily skin or dry skin. I have just pretty average skin. So check that out. Make sure you're not using a primer for oily skin, and if you have oily skin, make sure you're not using one for normal dry skin, you know. Favorite eyeliner. I'm not a big fan of eyeliner, to be honest, because at the end of the night you look like a raccoon. I really don't care what eyeliner I use. I'll use this one from Sephora, I guess is pretty good. I do have a couple of friends that have the Kat Von D eyeliner, and they say it's really good, so check that one out. Where do you shop at the most? My school's tuition. What's your favorite eyeshadow palette to use? This one right here, girl. James Charles palette all day. Favorite product right now? Actually, it's not even the James Charles palette, it's this. This concealer is life. Tarte just knows what they're doing, guys. If you need a concealer and you have 5 kids and 7 jobs, use this. They won't know. And that's all the questions. So I'm guessing I'm done baking. Right now, I'm going to contour my face with my handy dandy bronzing brush. I did a couple of things off camera. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm gonna explain it real quick. So under my eyes, I went ahead and used the Magic Mini by Juvia's. And I went in with this beautiful green. It's called Buzzo. And I went right under my eye, and then in the little tear duct area, I went in with this gorgeous gold, and it's called Nubia, and it gives it just like a pop. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes from NYX. This is called the Wicked Lashes.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a
Hope y'all enjoy it. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe,